In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use version history in Google Drive, a handy feature that can help you track changes and restore previous versions of your documents. Whether you're collaborating with others or just want to keep a record of changes, version history is an essential tool. Let's get started. First, navigate to your Google Drive homepage. If you haven't signed in yet, make sure to do so with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. Find the document you want to explore the version history for and right-click on it. This will open a context menu with various options. From here, you'll select Open With, which will bring up another submenu where you want to choose Google Docs. This step will open your document in Google Docs, allowing us to access its version history. Now that we're in Google Docs with your document open, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, scroll down and hover over Version History. This choice will further expand into another option, See Version History. Click on that to proceed. Once you click to see the version history, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen listing all the saved versions of your document. These versions are usually time-stamped, showing you exactly when each change was made. If multiple users have been working on the document, you may see different usernames attached to particular edits. Now, take a moment to scroll through the different versions available. Each version will give you a snapshot of what your document looked like at that point in time. This feature is particularly useful if you're trying to identify or recover content that was changed or accidentally deleted. Once you've identified the version you want to restore or review, click on it. The content of your document changes to reflect that specific version. Examine it to ensure it's the correct one you want to revert to. If you're confident this is the version you'd like to restore, look for the Restore This Version prompt, usually displayed at the top of the document. By clicking this, you'll replace the current version of the document with this older one. Rest assured, the previous current version will remain in the version history, so nothing is lost permanently. And that's it. You've now learned how to navigate and use version history in Google Drive. This feature can be a lifesaver, allowing you to keep track of changes or recover previous versions effortlessly. Don't forget to revisit your document and ensure that you're satisfied with the restored content. Thanks for watching and keep creating with confidence.